मैं अनुज कुमार आप सबके बीच में जेआरएफ हॉर्टिकल्चर 2021 का क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर उपस्थित हुआ हूं। इसका पहला क्वेश्चन है, सीक्वेंस द लोकेशन ऑफ फॉलोइंग इंस्टीट्यूट्स: ICAR-CIHS, ICAR-CITH, ICAR-CPCRI, ICAR-CISH, ICAR-CCRI, जिसका CIAH का होता है आपका बीकानेर एंड CITH का होता है श्रीनगर। तो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर आंसर नंबर 2 होता है राइट। आंसर 2 इज राइट। और चलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एंथ्रेक्नोज इज अ क्लोट्रोट्रिकम ग्लूडोस्पाइड, डाइबैक इज अ बट्रियो डिप्लॉइड थायोब्रोमी, एंड कैंकर इज अ जेंथोमोनास कैम्पेस्ट्रिस, एप्पल स्कैब वेंचुरिया एनाक्वालिस। आपका आंसर हो जाता है ए का थर्ड। आंसर नंबर 4 इज अ राइट। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच सॉइल नीड लाइमिंग फॉर इफेक्टिव एंड इफिशिएंट फर्टिलाइजर यूज्ड? इसमें राइट आंसर आपका हो जाता है एसिड सॉइल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ फॉलोइंग ग्रोथ रेगुलेटर इज मोस्ट इफेक्टिव फॉर इंडक्शन ऑफ फीमेल फ्लावर इन वाटरमेलन? द राइट आंसर इज टिब्बा 25 to 15 ppm. ppm means parts per million. Next question, which of the following is not an example of analogous color scheme in a garden? Yeah, right answer is red and green, because these are a contrast example of contrast color scheme. Next question, top red variety of apple is? This is a right answer, a bud sport of Shortwell delicious. Next question, seed viability can be tested by? Right answer is either of 1, 2 and 3. That means all 3 are right. Next question, which of the following breeding method is also known as modified pedigree method? Right answer is single seed descent, SSD. Next question, is the number of acid lime plant under triangular system of planting per hectare when planted at a spacing of 5 into 5 meter will be? Right answer is 357. Next question, Alocorphora flavicolis is a red pumpkin beetle, and Platypula gylostella is a diamond mouth bag, and आपका जो है ए का सेकेंड इज दैट मीन्स ऑफ ए इज राइट आंसर, और बी का हो जाएगा आपका थर्ड जैसिड, एंड फोर्थ का हो जाएगा स्पोडोप्टेरा ल्यूट्यूरा इज अ टोबैको कैटरपिलर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which citrus have highest storage life in weeks at optimum temperature? Right answer is a grapefruit. Next question, which of the following vegetable is biennial, hermaphrodite and wind pollination? According to NTA, right answer is beetroot. Next question, these are the statement types of question. Bitter pith of apple develop late in growing season of or during storage, and reason are calcium deficiency in the primary causes of bitter pith in apple, right? Spraying calcium chloride 0.4% or dipping apple in calcium chloride 2% is effective in reducing bitter pith. reducing in method peak. That means both are right. Both A and R are true. R is the correct explanation of A. These are the right answer, A. Next question. Which of the following is a long day onion variety? Right answer is a most common question, Spanish brown. Next question. These are statement type question. Statement 1. Sponge guard and ridge guard are naturally incompatible and not crossable in nature. True. Statement 2 is anthesis time of sponge guard is in the afternoon and ridge guard in the morning. The right answer is 3rd, because statement 1 is true but statement 2 is a false, because these are reverse form. Sponge guard is anthesis time is a morning and ridge guard is a afternoon. Next question. Match the following. Autumn queen is called as chrysanthemum. Soil lily is called as gladiolus. Pot marigold is called calendula and straw flower is called helichrysum. That means A का second, B का first, fourth answer is right. Next question. Turmeric crop is ready for harvesting 7 to 9 months. The right answer. Next question. The headquarters of Indian Meteorological Department IMD is located at. This is a most common question. Now is the Delhi, but previous is Pune. So most of students are confused between Delhi and Pune, but Delhi is the right answer. Next question. Seed production of which of following variety is not possible in plains? Right answer is Pusa Chandrima, because these are temperate types of turmeric variety. Next question. Next question is African marigold variety is Arca Shobha, Gladiolus senescens, and French marigold is Arca Arpita, and orchid is Sonia 17. This is A का second. That means 4 option is right. Next question. Woolliness usually occur when stone fruits are stored at temperature of 2 to 6 degrees Celsius. That means 3rd answer is right. Next question. Which of the following tree have orange color flower? Orange color flowers. Answer is right. Answer is A, B, D only. 4th answer is right, because A Dolonox regia and B the Saraka indica and D is Butea monosperma. Right answer. Next question. Which of the following is often cross-pollinated vegetable? Right answer is chili. Also often cross-pollinated vegetable are chili, brinjal, chili, okra, and brinjal also. Next question. Number of canes to be retained per vine in case of grape planted 3 into 3 meter spacing on bower system according to India. The right answer is 4 to 50. But some doubt in this question. Please अपना comment इस question के पर जरूर दें. Next question. Which mango cultivar is ideal pollinizer for Dasahari? Right answer is Bombay Green. Next question. Which is the most suitable variety of chrysanthemum for pot culture? Right answer Angina purple. Next question. Under North Indian condition, the plant crop of sugarcane should be harvested during which period to obtain profuse ratoon initiation? Right answer is third, mid-February to mid-March. Next question. Paipa guava is resistant to. Right answer is wilt. Next question. Given below are two statements. Statement 1, Valencia is the late season variety of sweet orange. Right. Statement 2, it has shown good adaptability in northwest and northeast. Northwest and northeast. Right. Both statement first and both statement second are true. Right answer is the first. Next question. The trickle method of degraining Mossambi can be completed degrained in 48 hours at 26 and 30 degrees Celsius. Right answer is third. Degraining means removal of green color of the fruit. Next question. Racemose types of inflorescence is found in. Right answer, Loofah species. Next question. Next question is Gulf Bridge is a coconut. Gold mine of Westland is cashew nut. Very common question. Suppressed climatic plum. Calcifuse crop is a banana. एक third. That means third question. Third answer is right. Next question. Statement 1, thinning and earthing up is an important cultural operation in root crop. Right. It will help to develop root with proper shape and size. Right. Both statements are right. A wala both statement first and statement second are right. Next question. Which of the following is the quickest loan established method is turfing? Third answer is right. Next question. Protected cultivation technology become very popular among the farming community. Which of the following statement is correct? Which statement is correct? A is a high value, low value crop are suitable for protected cultivation. Right. Brinjal, bottle gourd, okra are important crop for protected cultivation. C, tomato, capsicum and zucchini are important crop for protected cultivation. These parthenocarpic, cucumber and indeterminate tomato and capsicum variety are most suitable for protection. Right. Is a gynoecious cucumber semi-determinate variety are more suitable for protected cultivation? Not. Right answer is A, C, D. Next question. Next question is nitrogen. Nitrogen deficiency symptoms are overall chlorosis. Zinc is a rosetted growth. Molybdenum third. Iron is a fourth. A second. ये सेकंड तो 3 है. बी का फर्स्ट भी लग गया. सी का सेकंड आंसर इज राइट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैंगो स्पेसिफिक ग्रेविटी इज 1.01 to 1.02. वाटरमेलन येलो स्पॉट. ए का थर्ड. राइट आंसर सेकंड. और किन्नो मंडारिन second, kiwi first. Next question. Flesh translucency is a serious physiological disorder of. Right answer is pineapple. Next question. Command Area Development Program was initiated during. Right answer is 1974. Next question. The optimum age for planting coconut seedling is. Right answer is 9 to 12 months. Next question. Which agency is involved in enhancing export of proceed agricultural product? Very common question. Next, right answer APIDA. Next question. Which of the following crop can be grown during Kharif, Rabi and Spring? That means of crop is a neutral. Right answer is maize. Next question. Okra variety Pravani Kranti was developed through cross between Amalmochus esculentus and. Right answer is Amalmochus money hot sub species money hot. Right answer. Next question. Which of the following is not true for soma column variation? Right answer is it is highly undesirable because it highly desirable होता है. Next question. Which of the following is summer blooming tree having yellow colored flower? Very common question. Cassia fistula. Next question. Silver thiosulfate, silver nitrate is used for induction of male flower in Gynoecious cucumber. Right answer is second. Which of the following are most suitable for drying purpose? A, B, Gysophila, Helichrysum, Helicornia. A, B, C. A, B, C. Right answer is A. Sorry. Right answer is fourth. Next question. The most commonly used rootstock for plum in India. Right answer is Armenica, Prunus armeniaca. That means apricot. Next question. Variety of single type tuberose. Right answer is ADE. Right answer is ADA. If the hermaphrodite flower plant of papaya is sylphid or intercrossed, the population of female and hermaphrodite population will be 1:2. Estimated second. Papaya fruit are harvested when the surface peel color changed to 20 to 25%. Right answer is third. Statement first is correct, but statement second is incorrect. Next question. Hibiscus belong to family. Very common question. Malvaceae. Next question. Which of the following crop is not propagated by terminal cultivating? Right answer is rose. Next question. Chemical diet is beneficial to releaser and not favorable to receiver is known as allomones. Next question. Carnation has originated from Mediterranean region. Next question. Arca Kurg Excel is a variety of black pepper. Black pepper. Next question. To find out the average height of plant, we should work out the very common question is mean. Next question. Natural branch grafting to strength scaffold limbs of tree is known as bracing. Right answer is bracing. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, botanically known as Helianthus anus. Right answer is second. Next question, tripping mechanism and dancing stigma lobe is characteristic feature of. Right answer according to NTI is limavin, but wintervin also. आप इसके बारे में अपना कमेंट जरूर दें कि कौन सा आंसर राइट है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सतगुडी स्टेटमेंट फर्स्ट, सतगुडी is the very famous variety of sweet orange in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Statement second, harvesting and marketing of Satgudi are from August, December and March, May. Right answer is both statement first and statement second are right. Right answer is first. ये वीडियो का पहला पार्ट है। अगला पार्ट में जो बनाएंगे उसमें 60 से 120 के बीच में क्वेश्चन को डिस्कस करेंगे। धन्यवाद। आपको अगर अच्छा लगा हो तो अपने इस पर कमेंट जरूर दें। धन्यवाद।